Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending February 10th of 2019. This trade happened on the 5th. It was a Tuesday. This is TXN, Texas Instruments. The strategy was based on a 60-minute DTS buy setup with an entry coming down to the 5-minute chart with the DBS buy setup around 10 o'clock. Management simple, reward to risk about 1.3 to 1. And as usual, before I show you these charts, a couple of things to remember for the free stuff coming up at DTS. On Wednesday, mark that date on your calendar. It will be a special event. I'll be doing a presentation between 5 and 6 o'clock that night, and you will receive an invite that day if you are a DTS member. If you received the weekly market summary with this play of the week, you are a DTS member. If not, if you're not sure, go to the DTS homepage, and right in the center you'll see a spot to become a DTS member for free. And although it's not a DTS free event, don't forget about Valentine's Day on Thursday. Also, I want to give you a heads up, coming up the next series of seminars in the DTS seminar program will be on Fridays. If that interests any of you, 3 consecutive Fridays starting March 1st. And correspondingly then, that Introduction to Mastering Techno Analysis class that's free to everybody will be on Monday the 25th. Here is the daily chart from TXN. This is what it looked like the day before I took the play when I was scanning. That is a beautiful daily chart. In this case, the daily chart was part of this concept. It had a beautiful gap up and run the prior week, and then the pullback in this area, wide range bar and a little bar next to it. The daily chart looked like this before the play, and then after the play, it looked like this. The idea actually would have been to see this move up higher this day. I'll show you what happened the following day in just a minute, but this ended up being a great play because there were 2 ways to play this particular day. Here is the 15-minute chart, and you see that day and a half consolidation, how beautiful it turned out on the 15-minute chart. It set up this very nice major support area. The stock gapped up that day, but not enough to clear enough, and it actually fell pretty quickly, so the play became buying the major support area down to the bottom of that 15-minute chart. If we come down to the 5-minute chart, you see that 101.20 area. Well, here it is on the 5-minute chart. We fell that morning right to that area, and coming out of that bounce, that was the entry right in there around the 10 o'clock reversal time. 101.35, stop 100.84. First target taken on a quick run to challenge the prior high. Trade is safe. Target number 2, very nice run, making a new high. Had to take some up there, 102.28, and then the goal was to hold the third part to the end of the day, looking for that big breakout. Unfortunately, it just kind of stayed sideways the rest of the day and exited the last part about a quarter till close at 102.08. Just to show you what did happen on that daily chart, that was the end of the day I traded it, and I wanted to get it that next day again for the breakout, but it gapped up enough and took off, and I didn't catch it that day, but that was really what I was hoping would happen on the day I traded it. So you can see that daily chart, the power there, very easy to recognize. This is one of these plays that was a very, very high odds play when I brought it to the market that morning. Very high confidence level in it. I was just hoping that I'd have that big breakout day the day I did it, and it got away from me the next day. This play, of course, like all the other plays, are done in the DTS trading room, where you can follow along and where we take a handful of trades and really try and maximize the results. If you have not been there before, you can take a trial. Just visit the website. Or if you have any questions, you can always email me. I'm Paul at disciplinedtradingstrategies.com. Until next time, this is Paul from DTS. Good trading, everybody.